Hello boys and girls, welcome back to mark making. Today's sound we're going to learn is egg. Can you see the and the egg? Why don't we have a go at writing it in some flour today? Today's sound poem is lift off the top and scoop out the egg. Shall we do it again? Lift off the top and scoop out the egg. Why don't you have a go at home and send your pictures in to your teachers? Bye.